Hi everyone, I'm Bhagyashree Ghosh. A lot of people are nowadays asking me almost the same question, especially if they are preparing for CAT 2020. Well, it's mid of July, I'm shooting this video, and they are all concerned ki whether in these 4 months, if they start from the very starting, will they be able to crack it? Will they be able to crack CAT? What should be the study strategy? So today I will be talking about a study strategy, not in detail, but in a way that will help you to kickstart your preparation. So, coming first with the VRC section. For the VRC section, start with the concept of fact inference judgment. You will say, ki, why fact inference judgment? Its direct questions are not coming. But for VRC, start with fact inference judgment that will mentally prepare you with the critical reasoning portions in the RC and the topics to come. So after fact inference judgment in this VRC, after fact inference judgment, you read reading comprehension, then you move to para jumbles, then para completion, then para summary, and lastly the odd sentence out. So complete layer by layer the syllabus, basics, then a level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, this way move forward. This level wise reading has to be done in the other sections too. For example, in the DILR section, first you start, so that will be the second one. So first you start with the basic topics, the topics that are small and which are not asked directly, but a combination of those 4-5 topics are asked there in the exam. First, you do the individual topics. So for the DILR, first you see all those 7, 8, 9, 10, those individual topics, the way it is available to you in any book you are following or an academic classes you are following. So first cover the small topics first, individual topics. Then level up, and where the mixture of questions are there, then you raise your level to the CAT. This way, and DILR should take you good amount of 3 months minimum to finish your syllabus. Not only just finish, but right from the basics to the perfection level, it will take you minimum 3 months. Now, if I talk about the third section, quantitative aptitude section. Now, this quantitative aptitude section, the thing is, the section is divided into small parts. But every part is now subdivided into topics. For example, I will not suggest you to start with arithmetic because it has 7 topics in total. So instead of starting with that, start with let us say geometry or modern maths or mensuration or any topic that will get you will be able to finish it easily. Let us say you are starting with let's say trigonometry, okay, and it takes 3 days for you to complete. So just devote 3 days to one single topic. So this way there are total 22-24 topics. So it will take, like, let us say 25 topics are there. So 25 into 3 or 25 into 4. Even if you put 25 into 5 days, well, you will have a lot of time by that way. So don't give 5 days to each topic. Give 2 to 3 days to each topic. Be it quant, be it DILR, or be it VRC. Don't give more than 3 days to each topic. It will be easy to complete the topic within 2 to 3 months once again. So in this 3 months, you have completed DILR and Quant one round each, and VRC probably 2 or 3 rounds. Because if in my class you come, I will make you do the VRC basics in this month of July itself. So by 31st of July, you are done with the VRC basics. Then every month, new courses of mine will come, and I will be like guiding you further with the VRC. So in these 3 months, 1 round each of Quant, DILR, and 3 rounds of VRC will be done by you. Now further, you are left with the 4th month, that is the 4th and the final month. Now this 4th and the final month, just take it as your last and the best fight and practice mocks daily, or not just mocks, you can even do random questions daily. So this way, or you can take the help of Unacademy. We are helping you out to complete the syllabus all on time. So you can go and you can check Unacademy classes, free classes you can, but don't completely rely on the free classes, because some topics are not there in free classes to be taught. So there is like some topics are restricted, and those restricted topics are only available in plus. So if you can, and you should, if you are concerned for your future, just have a plus subscription. If you are for 2020, you can go with a 6-month one. I will suggest you to go with the 6 month, not the 3 month. Don't think, okay, in 3 months my basics will be done. But CAT is not about the basics. The CAT is the high level. Na? So after 3 months, you need more practice, more classes to revise the basics, to level up with me and with other educators. And by the time when CAT comes, almost all the educators are teaching the high level also. So it means that when you be with Unacademy for not just 3 months, for 6 months. So for the next 6 months, you are here, and if just a possibility, if the CAT exam shifts, you still have the subscription on and open to you, because all the mock tests and practice sessions will also be there. No? It's not just about the class, it's about mock test, it's about practice session and so many things, guidance, discussion, everything. And if CAT happens on time, after CAT also you have to face the GDPI rounds and other OMIT exams. For that also, you might be needing to extend your subscription. Instead of extending it, you already know that the higher subscription you take, it's more discounted. So it's always a win-win. So my purpose was not to tell you about subscription, but my purpose was to help you know that yes, CAT preparation is still possible, because now in this COVID-19 situation, almost all the learners are there in their home. You have more time. If you invested right, you get the results. 4-month CAT, getting a 99 percentile is still possible. You know why you can get a 99 percentile just now? Because you just need 60 marks 60 questions right for getting a 99 percentile. So 60 means what? It's like 180 marks out of 300. So out of 300, 180 marks. You can just do 20 questions correct in all the sections without doing any question wrong. Well, you will still be able to manage a 99. So it's not about speed, it's not about learning everything, it's about knowing what is your strength, working on it, and get the marks out of it. This is CAT. So we at Unacademy are going to help you with all of these. So hopefully I was not very fast in saying what I was about to say. If it is so, so you can just make this video play a little bit slower, or maybe I was right. Well, whatever the case is, check Unacademy once if you have not yet, and follow my classes. From tomorrow, 15th of July, new classes, new batch, full batch, VRC, basics are going to start. So awaiting your presence there. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Very good evening.